Okay, so over here we will learn how to use absolute referencing. Okay, now forget about that for a moment. Okay, now let's try to find the discount. Okay, so in this case, okay, the cost is 450. Okay, the discount given is 10%. So to find the discount, you just need to take 10%, okay, times 450. Okay, so we can use that using a simple formula. Okay, this times this. Okay, so the discount given is 45 cents. Okay, so minus 45 cents. Okay, now what I will do here is I will attempt to apply relative referencing. Okay, relative referencing. Okay, so how do we apply relative referencing? Okay, just move your cursor to the bottom right. Okay, and copy paste. Okay, now you will realize that in the second row here, okay, you get 0, but this is very strange. Okay, you should get certain discount based on the $3, right? Okay, but this is not the case. Okay, now let's look at the formula given. Okay, it is D3 times B9. Okay, B9 is actually here. Okay, which is empty. So what you are doing here is you are taking $3 times empty. So of course you will get 0. Okay, now relative referencing will always move down the row. Okay, so that is the disadvantage. Okay, now if you want D3 to multiply with 10% across the board, okay, and for all the subsequent rows, you need to apply absolute referencing. Okay, absolute referencing. Okay, let's look at what absolute referencing means. Okay, it is used when we do not want the cell references in formulas to change when copied to other cells. Okay, so we want the number inside the function to be fixed. Okay, we want the number inside the formula to be fixed. Okay, even when we copy and paste the formula. Okay, in this case, okay, we want this 10% to be fixed in all the formulas. Okay, not move down here, 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 here. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, now let's look at the first formula that we created just now. Okay, D2 times B8. Okay, now if you don't want B8 to move down, okay, as you copy and paste the formula, what you need to do is put a $sign before the alphabet and before the number. Okay, now this will log in the value in B8 across all the rows here. Okay, so B8 here will be fixed. Okay, it will not go down. Okay. Okay, then once you do that, you can copy and paste the formula. Okay, so in the second row, you'll notice that B8 is still fixed. It doesn't go to B9. Okay, similarly for this. Although the first number here, it changes lah. Okay, because this one, you never put absolute referencing. So it goes down, D2, D3, D4. Okay, but what is not changed is the B8, this one. Okay, so this is called absolute referencing.